I'm going to show you in a book that you can learn Italian. It's like this. You can flip. I'm gonna just do a flip through the pages, and you can see as in there's lots of different stuff. It's a lot like, stuff that you can find things. But today I'm doing the category zoo. Be sure to get this on name. Okay, and then this, it has some words on the back that are Italian. I don't know what to say. And now let's get started with this, okay? It's gonna be in like the tune of like dun 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 dun. Okay? Starting now. Lo zoo, il panda, le ali, le aquila, ippopotamo, la scimmia, il pipistrello, il gorilla, la zampe, il carquero, il gorilla, l'iceberg, il pinguino, il coccodrillo, il delfino, la giraffa, l'orso, gli ocini, il leone, lo struso, il pelicano, la scimmia, le corna, il cervo, il cervo, il dromedario, la foca, l'orso polare, l'elefante, il rossetone, il bisonte, la tartaruga, la capra, la zebra, il castro, il serpente, lo squalo, la balena, la tigre, il leopardo, la capra, il gorilla, il lupo, la foca, il giamaggio, il ippopotamo, le ali, la aquila, and that's the end of this.